Title: Challenge Your Council Tax Legally, the Case of the Overcharged Apartment. In a quiet London suburb, 36-year-old Diana Morrison, a freelance designer, opened her mailbox on a Monday morning and nearly spilled her coffee. Council tax, $2,370. Due immediately. What on earth? She muttered. Last year she paid just over $1,800. She had it moved. Her flat hadn't grown a second floor overnight. So what changed? She went online and saw dozens of local complaints. Why did my council tax jump? My neighbor pays less for a bigger house. This has to be a mistake. It wasn't just Diana, something was off. Before she called anyone, Diana did what smart adults do. She Googled. She learned that council tax is a local tax charged by the council to fund services like rubbish collection, street lighting, libraries, and schools. Properties in the UK are placed into bands A, H, based on their market value from 1,991. Yep, 1,991. As if Nirvana was still topping the charts. Each band paid a different rate. But here's the twist. These bands hadn't been properly reviewed for decades, and many properties were wrongly placed. Diana checked online and saw her flat was in Band E, but her neighbor across the hall, same layout, same floor, same view, was in Band D. That's not fair, she said. And more importantly, it's not legal. She didn't rage, tweet. She didn't storm the council office. She did something smarter. She decided to challenge her council tax legally. She followed these steps. Step 1. Compare your band using the UK Valuation Office Agency website. She checked her and her neighbor's bands. Sure enough, same type of property, different bands. Step 2. Gather evidence. She took photos of both flats, printed building layouts from the leasehold website, and asked her neighbor to write a short letter confirming their band. Step 3. File a challenge. She submitted a proposal to alter the valuation list through the official Gov UK portal. No lawyers, no fees, just facts. Step 4. Wait and respond. 3 weeks later, she received a request for clarification. She responded with more documentation and a polite note. If my neighbor's flat is Band D, mine should be too. 2 months later, she received a letter. Dear Ms. Morrison, following your appeal, we have reviewed your property and agree it was incorrectly placed in Band E. It will be moved to Band D, retroactive to 2019. Along with it came a refund check for over $1,400. She screamed. Then she laughed. Then she took herself out for sushi. She didn't just win, she won legally, with evidence and a calm head. If you're in another country, Diana's lesson still applies. In Canada, municipalities assign property assessments and you can challenge your valuation via your provincial assessment board. In the US, property taxes are based on county assessor values. You can file an appeal if your home is overvalued, especially if nearby homes are cheaper. In Australia, land taxes and council rates are based on property value. A formal objection process is available in each state. The tools exist globally, the key is knowing your rights and using the proper channels. Don't panic, investigate. A bill might be wrong. Learn how it's calculated. Compare fairly. Look at properties similar in size, location, and use. Document everything. Screenshots, statements, letters, floor plans, keep them all. Use legal channels. Bypass drama. Go through the official appeal processes. Stay respectful. Officials are more likely to listen if you're calm, clear, and polite. Epilogue: justice and coffee served. With the refund, Diana finally bought that espresso machine she'd been eyeing. But more importantly, she started helping others learn how to review their tax bands. She even began a mini blog, Tax Tea with Diana, serving refunds and real talk. And her very first post? Challenge your council tax legally and win. Moral of the story: just because a bill comes in a fancy envelope doesn't mean it's accurate. Know your rights, check the facts, and challenge with confidence. Follow for more stories like this. Subscribe and empower yourself financially.